Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay ngayong February 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And if you're interested in private readings, I offer private readings. Meron tayong link sa description kung paano kayo makakapag-book. So, paki-check nyo na lang yan. Nasa description and pinned comment. Okay, Earth Signs. Let's see what's up with you, Earth Signs. Organization. May mga ayusin ka ngayon. Gamit, bagay. Pwedeng iba maglilipat ng bahay. Yung iba naman, magre-rearrange lang ng furnitures. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring you will lead an organization. Oo, maaring magiging part ka ng isang organization sa trabaho, sa business, sa community ninyo. Wow, may fertility dito. So, maaring you are becoming more productive, no? Ngayon. Merong new beginnings. I'm seeing new beginnings for you. Maaring yung iba, may bagong career, bagong business, bagong trabaho, bagong jowa, or bagong member ng family. Oo. O, diba? Kaloka, new beginnings talaga. Let this magic and my spell clear the space in which I dwell. Yes. So, some of you, new beginnings sa bahay kasi this is where you, a space in which you dwell. So, pwedeng lipat ng bahay or lipat ng trabaho or a new venture. Something new is happening in your life right now. Yung tipong parang kung maglilipat ka ng bahay, syempre may ililinisin ka, tapos may organize ka mga gamit, things like that. Okay, and even for a new job or a new career, pag nagsisimula, 'di ba? Ito yung locker mo, dito yung space mo, dito yung office mo, so meron kang kailangang ayusin talaga. So it's a new life, a new beginning. Yes, this really makes sense. I'm seeing number one is also about new beginnings. 448, so maaring new business for some of you. And dalawang 4 siya. So 4 is about home, bahay. So that is something stable para sa inyo. This is a stable beginning for some of you, Earth signs. Okay, let's see your overall energy. The World. Ooh. The Hierophant. And the 5 of Cups. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong missed opportunities, no? Akala nyo may nawala or parang may kailangan kayong i-let go. Pero actually, yung kailangan nyo kasing i-let go na yon is talagang natapos na, no? This can be a career, a business, or even a relationship na it is meant to end because tapos na yung cycle na yon for you. Tapos na yung chapter na yon sa'yo. And you have learned a lot from that, no? With the Hierophant energy here. So, meron dito energy ng Capricorn, of course. And then Taurus. So, ayan talaga, andito yung energies ng mga Earth signs. Oo. So, it's time for you to focus on what you still have. Yung mga nawala na, akala mo missed opportunities. Actually, mga missed opportunities ay hindi naman talaga para sa'yo. Kaya hindi yun nag-progress, hindi yun nag-work out for you. So, ngayon, you are now focused on your new beginnings. Ayan. So, yung iba, pagre-relocate sa ibang bansa. Oo, or work abroad. Kasi may the World card dito. So, syempre, diba, pag lilipat, aalis ka, sometimes you feel like parang may losses ka kasi mamimiss mo or may ili-let go ka talaga. Okay? But, that's life. May endings, may new beginnings. So, ngayon, you have to embrace the new beginning. Sa money, career, finances, you have the Page of Wands. May new source of income for you. You're going to be more creative this time. And more competitive, no, with the 5 of Wands. Pansin ko nakatingala ka lagi. So, I think you are focused on what you can achieve, no? Nakafocus ka dun sa mga bagay na pwede mong makuha. At mukhang ano siya, malapit na. Kasi iba sa inyo, abot kamay na, ayan, ang lapit na. So, kailangan na lang talaga ninyo ng consistency, ipagpatuloy nyo yung mga ginagawa nyo para ma-achieve yung mga goals ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, very creative, you are very intuitive, o ayan, o, 'di ba? Ito yung, I think you are going to organize your goals. Isusulat mo ulit kung ano yung mga bago mong goals, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, meron tayong mga goals na hindi nagwo-work, so you have to cross that out and babaguhin mo and set a new goal. So, yung iba sa inyo nasa entertainment, no, meron kayong natural talents na pwede nyong i-share sa mundo. No, some of you meron kayong mga nanonood sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo nasa social media or you are a celebrity of some sort, no, merong following or meron kayong mga followers. So, you are here to share your talents, your skills, your knowledge sa iba, no? Some of you yung meron kayong new beginning of self-employment na tipong wala kayong sarili nyong boss. I mean, you are your own boss. So, sa love life naman, you have the Knight of Pentacles, you have the Justice card, and the Hermit. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa love life, if you are in a relationship right now, may possibility na medyo on the rocks yung relationship ninyo, na you are trying to figure out if itong person na to ay gusto mong makasama moving forward, no? Oo, parang iniisip nyo kung itong tao ba na to is stable na, financially stable. Kasi syempre, pagdating sa relationship, 'di ba? It's either isa sa inyo financially stable para mag-work yung relationship, lalo na kung marriage na 'yan. So with the Justice card, you are weighing things kung ano ang mapapabuti para sa iyo. So definitely magkakaroon ka ng clarity dito sa relationship na to if you want to move forward with this person. Yung iba naman, merong bago, no? Na dumarating sa buhay ninyo. This can be pareho ninyong kapareho nyong earth signs or meron ding Libra. Oo. So earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn din. May potential. O, diba? True love. So talagang yung iba sa inyo, very serious na ang pag-take ninyo sa relationship na to, kung ano na yung mga plans nyo in the future. So, gusto nyo talaga long-term relationship, pang matagalan, merong kahihinatnan, wala kayong oras ngayon para sa mga laro-laro na relationship. You are focused on keeping the person na to be with you for a long time, lalo na kung talagang nakikita mo sa kanya yung katangian ng taong hinahanap mo sa isang committed relationship. And if you're single, maaring meron ka makilala somewhere along the way, a person na merong potential na maging romantic partner mo. Lalo na kung nakikita mo yung traits, yung mga katangian niya ng gusto mo sa isang relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Earth Signs. Thank you so much. Bye!